Good morning, students. Today, in previous lecture, we have discussed about present tense. Now, today, we are going to start past tense. Okay. In present tense, I have given you all types of structure and sentences. Here, past tense. Whenever we have did something in the past time in simple form, then the structure, then the sentence must be in past indefinite. When any work or action completed in past is simple form, then the sentence must be in present indefinite. So structure is like subject plus second form of verb plus object. I have told you that there is main three form of verb: first form, second form and third form. Okay, so subject, second form of verb and object. Example, I went to school last year. मैं पिछले साल स्कूल जाता था. I went to school last year. He came late. वो लेट आया था. Okay. Now this is the example. If we talk about uses, if ago, yesterday, last week, last month, last year, Monday last, in 2002, used for time in any sentence, then we will use past indefinite form. Okay. Example, Manoj came here yesterday. Manoj यहाँ पर yesterday को आया. He did not complete his work last night. He did not complete his work last night. So in this way, it's very simple. As we have formula, first we have to know about only form of verb because it is main in the structure. So this is example for it. Now uses, this is first use. There are remaining uses. First you have to note it down. Now my dear students, here second use, habitual actions of past are must be in this tense. Means as we learn about present tense, in that tense habitual things of present time we have writes in present tense. In this way, in past indefinite, habitual actions of past are must be in this. When in past time, if someone is doing something which is habitual, some words are often, always, daily, every day, every week, every month, every year. That type of words, if are in sentence, then it must be habitual action. But past indefinite, it must be in past time. Example, Deepak always came late. Deepak always came late. मतलब दीपक लेट आता था. It's a habit. Manjit often invited me to dinner. Manjit often invited me to dinner. मंजित मुझे अक्सर डिनर पर बुलाया करता था. Okay. But here, when we use habitual actions of past in this present indefinite, but sometime used to, it's an important note. Used to is also used for telling about past habits. Like I used to walk in the morning. मैं सुबह घूमने जाया करता था. आलोक used to take milk daily. आलोक रोज दूध पीता था. In this way, you know, on TV or any program, you have seen some celebrities. They just told, or Mr. Narendra Modi also told us so many times that I used to do that and that when we are in childhood. So I used to word is used for habitual actions of past. And if we are not taking used to, then simple, past simple or past indefinite is also used for habitual actions of past. Now, so this is the example for that. Third use, two simultaneous actions of past are used in past indefinite. Means if there were two actions in past, then it must be right in past indefinite. Example, she cooked while the children played. She cooked. Here two actions, cooked and played. She cooked while the children played. वो खाना पका रही थी जब बच्चे खेल रहे थे. There are two simultaneous process, so we can write in past indefinite. Okay, this is three use. Now in next you have to write it, you have to note it down. Now my dear students, uses of past indefinite. Fourth use, is when any action happened in between any other continuous action in the past time. Means in past time, if something is going on, in between that another action is happened, then these two actions were to be written in past indefinite. Example, when we were sleeping आशीष came. मतलब जब हम सो रहे थे आशीष आया. When we were sleeping आशीष came. Second example, when Babita was watching TV, her father arrived. When Babita was watching TV, her father arrived. मतलब बबीता जब टीवी देख रही थी उसके पिताजी आ गए थे. Means this is continuous action. In this way we cannot see Ashish coming when we were sleeping, Ashish coming, or when Babita was watching TV, her father arriving. ing form here is not appropriate. Then we must use past indefinite. Okay. Now the last but not least, fifth use, unfulfilled desire, wish, conditions of present time can be written in this tense with these words. Words are if only, as if, I wish, as though, it is time. Means in present time, if we are wish, unfulfilled desire, when we were like this, if I can be. In this way, some words, if only, these words are used in the sentence and we can use past indefinite for unfulfilled desire, wish or condition in present time. Okay. Example, it is time we went there. It is time we went there. I wish I were a king. I wish I were a king. मतलब मेरी इच्छा है कि मैं एक राजा होता. He speaks as if he were the CM of MP. He speaks as if he were the CM of. Means here we can use it is time we went there. I wish I were a king. He speaks as if. In these sentences, these example are example of past indefinite. This is the 5 uses. After that we are going to see structures. Okay, you have to note it down. Now my dear students, after uses we are going to start structures. Okay, so first is affirmative sentences. You know it is simple form. So again, subject plus second form of verb plus object. Example, she came yesterday. The police caught the thief. Okay. Now in this way, negative sentences is, we must know that subject plus did not plus first form of verb. In past indefinite, we always use second form of verb in past indefinite. Affirmative sentence only. Okay. But in negative sentence, there is subject plus did not plus first form of verb plus object. Okay. Example, she did not come yesterday. Here she came yesterday. Here she did not come yesterday. Second, the police did not catch the thief. The police did not catch the thief. Here caught. The police caught the thief. Here the police did not catch the thief. Okay. Now interrogative. Okay. Here helping verb did plus subject plus first form of verb plus object and question mark. Example, did she come yesterday? Did the police catch the thief? Okay. So this is the 3. Now 2 more are there. You have to note it down. Here now in structure, fourth structure is for interrogative negative. Okay. So structure is did plus subject plus not plus first form of verb plus object and question mark. Okay. So in only affirmative sentences we are using second form of verb. Remaining in 4 structures there are only first form of verb. Okay. Like did, subject, not, verb, first form of verb plus object. Example, did she not come yesterday? Did she not come yesterday? Did the police not catch the thief? Okay. Now WH questions we have discussed already. WH word plus did plus subject plus first form of verb plus object. Example, why did she come yesterday? Okay, here did she come, she not come. Here why did she come yesterday? When did the police catch the thief? So why, when, these are the WH words, okay, and remaining is the formula, okay. In this way you have to use these structures, and all the examples are comparative, okay. You can see all same examples are in 5 structures, so you can compare easily. You have to write in your copies, note it down, okay. So your past indefinite is completed. Now we will continue past continuous tense, okay. Note it down. Okay, now my dear students, we are going to start second tense of past tense, past continuous tense, okay. So here, as name shows, it is past continuous or past progressive, okay. So when any work or actions were in continuous or progressive form in past, when any work or actions are in continuous or progressive form in past time, then we will use past continuous. Structure is subject plus was verb plus ing form of verb plus object. As I have told you that we can write fourth form of verb or ing form of verb. These both are same, okay. So we can use V4 also and VING also. So subject plus was verb plus ing form of verb plus object. Example is he was reading, वो पढ़ रहा था. They were playing, वो खेल रहे थे. So in this way we can write, it's easy. Now we will talk about uses. First use, when these two words then or those days are used for time in sentences, then and those days are used for time in sentences, then we can use like that. Example, he was reading then. Rakhi and Ruby were playing cricket those days. Rakhi and Ruby were playing cricket those days. So then and those days are used for past continuous tense, okay. He was reading then. Rakhi and Ruby were playing cricket those days. Now second use, two continuous and simultaneous actions of past are written in this tense. Continuous, okay, you have to note it down. Continuous and simultaneous means both the actions are going in simultaneous way and are in continuous form. Then we can write it in past continuous form, okay. Example, while my daughter was singing, I was writing. मतलब मेरी बेटी जब गाना गा रही थी, मैं लिख रहा था. So both the actions are in continuous form, and we are using was here for continuous and simultaneous process in past tense. Second, while he was jumping, I was swimming. जब वो jumping कर रहा था, मैं तैर रहा था, okay. So while he was jumping, I was swimming. In this way we can use past continuous structure here. Now the last use is remaining. You have to note it down. Now my dear students, in uses, third use is, you have to understand it, using grow, get, become. Grow means बड़ा होना, get means पाना, become मतलब बनना. So using grow, get, become for past time gradual. Past time gradual means increase or decrease. We can use past continuous, okay. For increasing, decreasing, or like these words grow, get, become, we can use past continuous tense. Example, she was becoming taller and taller. She was becoming taller and taller. It was growing hale and hearty. It was growing hale and hearty. So she was becoming taller and taller यानी वो बड़ी से बड़ी होती जा रही थी. It was becoming hale and hearty, वो हट्टा कट्टा होता जा रहा था. Okay, in this way uses are ending here. This is the last use. Now we will talk about structures. First structure, affirmative sentences. Simple structure, subject plus was verb plus ing form of verb plus object, okay. Example, Arun was working hard. अरुण बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत कर रहा था. We were discussing the problem. हम समस्या के बारे में बातें कर रहे थे या डिस्कस कर रहे थे. In this way, was and were are using and ing form of verb is using. This is structure for affirmative sentences, okay. Note it down. Now, my dear students, after affirmative sentence in structures, we are going to see negative sentences. Okay. So affirmative is simple sentence. Negative, we have to put only not in the structure. Subject plus was verb plus not plus ing form of verb plus object. Example, Arun was not working. Arun is subject, was verb, not working ing form. Okay. Object we can say working in company, whatever. So Arun was not working. Second, we were not discussing the problems. है ना, अरुण काम नहीं कर रहा था. We were not discussing the problem, हम समस्या के बारे में डिस्कस नहीं कर रहे थे. Now interrogative, structure for interrogative, helping verb first, was verb plus subject plus ing form of verb plus object in question mark. Example, was Arun working hard? क्या अरुण बहुत मेहनत कर रहा था? Was Arun working hard? Were we discussing the problem? क्या हम प्रॉब्लम के बारे में डिस्कस कर रहे थे? So was Arun working hard? Were we discussing the problem? Now interrogative negative. So in interrogative we have to put not in the structure, so it will become interrogative negative. Structure is was verb plus subject plus not plus ing form of verb plus object in question mark. Example, was Arun not working hard? क्या अरुण ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं कर रहा था? Were Arun not working hard? Were we not discussing the problem? क्या हम समस्या के बारे में डिस्कस नहीं कर रहे थे? Okay, so not, by using not we can make it negative or interrogative with helping verbs. Now the last but not least, WH questions. WH words we know very well: how, what, where, who. Okay, when. So WH word plus was verb plus subject plus ing form of verb plus object. Example, why was Arun working hard? अरुण इतना मेहनत, अरुण, why was Arun working hard? अरुण क्यों मेहनत कर रहा था? When we were discussing the problem. When were we discussing the problem? हम समस्या के बारे में कब बात कर रहे थे? So with the help of WH words why and when, we can make it WH questions. Okay. So my dear students, in this way past continuous also completed. So in this video, past indefinite or past continuous is completed. You have to note it down, you have to watch it carefully, all the structure and examples, so you can make your own sentence also. Okay, in next lecture we will discuss about past perfect and past perfect continuous. Okay, so note it down. Bye.